Cleaned up the engine a little bit. 2013 Charger. That thing wet. Well, look at that. Gotta make it look all real nice. Have to charge the AC a little bit, because anytime you see the AC compressor cycling like this, see it's spinning now. Let's see it just stopped. That's an indication of you low in Freon. Your AC compressor do not supposed to cycle on and off. It's supposed to spin all the time. That's the clutch, the AC clutch right there. See how it's cycling on and off? That's the sign that it's low. Once you start, you can go buy a little can of Freon and charge it up. Cause it ain't ran through the winter or whatever. You charge it back on up, get it right. Yeah, like I say, 2013 Charger though, man. Cleaned it all up.